guys, AuntDi here and welcome. And today's craft is a very simple one. Pretty much you just need three items. So today we are making a campsite nightlight, I'm going to call it. All you need is a white bucket. Okay, I get these from Home Depot. As you can already see, the light's going off inside it when I moved it around. You need to pick up one of these night lights. They are remote controlled. I'll have the link below to a 4-pack that you can order from Amazon, which is what I did. And you need your vinyl. So you're going to cut out whatever design you want. I made my design close to 11.5 inches wide. Mostly because that's the maximum we can go. I am just going to, oh, there's my grandson, he's not feeling well. Get my transfer tape out and onto my first part of my design. And then we will pause. So I'm just quickly rubbing my letters so they transfer to the transfer tape. I got helping hands since I just did it quickly. My transfer tape wrinkled, but that's okay. Get my scraper, some of this. Okay, so now that it's on your transfer tape, you figure out where on your bucket you're going to place it. And you're just going to do just that. Now I'm going to go and do pretty much the middle and then the other side. And give it a quick rub, good rub down. Okay. So once we did that, and give it a good rub down, it should just peel right off. And your letters or your design, whatever it shall be sticking right to the bucket. And it does. Now I have a little bit more that I want to put on. Sorry about that hissing noise in the background. It's my Instapot. I didn't realize it would be that loud. All my other ones I can do by hand. This is the last ones that I need to do this way. In order to line up everything like I've done, it all just depends on how you do it in Design Space. You need to be using your attaches and your groupings and all that. Because I should, by all rights, I guess I got a bit too close to the warning sign on the pail, but that's okay. Should, by all rights, be able to just fit this where I wanted it. Now, what also I did because the theme of my pail is star. Hence, it's saying starlight, star bright, welcome to the Whitefields site. Okay, so that's my pail. What I wanted to do was at nighttime you see stars. So I was going to add stars to this. But I decided not to just do any old stars. I decided to use Cricut glitter paper or glitter vinyl. Well, I'll tell you, never again. Oh, this stuff's nasty to weed and work with. But pretty to look at, and it sticks well. And I know it's not necessarily an outdoor vinyl, but you know what? I'm sure it's still going to work fine. So anyway, so I wanted to put some stars on it because then when the light goes on, the stars will be noticeable. I decided I want to do it in glitter because, well, that's just me. So I just cut out a bunch, well, I attempted to cut out 24 stars. Ended up, I think, with 20 good ones I could use after trying to weed this stuff, even after doing a double cut. So it was not fun. I had to get out the X-Acto knife. I advise you to use some other brand for glitter. Other than that, like I said, it looks beautiful. It's sticking wonderfully. Grandson's not feeling well, so I'm attempting to get this video done as quickly as I can. Luckily, it's just a quick project. And I'm just randomly finding different places to stick my stars, which, like I said, at night will show up, especially if I'd done it all in white, but I didn't. I wanted the glitter. We have lots of stars come out at night. So let's have lots of stars come out at night on our bucket. And plus, I already have them cut, so why waste them? If I don't need to, I'll use them. Okay, so you do that, then all you do is you get your light, place it inside the bucket. You would put the light or the bucket's lid on. When you're at your campsite, you would want to weigh it down with something. Or at least I would. And then at night, you turn it on, and you've got all these different settings that you can pick from, and you leave it at the edge of your campsite. So, hey, if you gotta go pee in the middle of the night, it makes it a bit easier to find where you gotta go back to. So, of course, I will turn this on and show you exactly what it's going to look like at nighttime, when it's nighttime. But until then, guys, please subscribe to my channel so you will always know when my newest videos come out. And please like all of my videos. My affiliate links are all below. And happy crafting, guys. Until next time.